Hey guys, welcome to another MTN FibreX tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at the FiberX dashboard, my current plan, which you can see here, and I also want to just talk about a few things. Some of you are wondering how I even got this dashboard, how I'm able to log into this place. Well, when you set up your FiberX, when you're setting up for the first time, you're going to provide your details, including your email address. Now, after the FiberX has been set up, in your house in the same week or the same weekend, you should get an email from MTN basically welcoming you to MTN FibreX. That email contains the 4 ways you can contact MTN support and also your FN ID that you can use to log into the My MTN app or log into the website. I'm currently logged into the website. This is my MTN Fiber um, dashboard. When I'm logged in on the website, here I can see my current subscription, and we are also going to do a speed test at the end of this video because I want you to see my current FiberX 100 Mbps plan. I want you to see what the speed is like when I do a speed test. But before that, one of the questions I get asked a lot is there a yearly plan for MTN FibreX? Well, let's find out together. When you want to renew your plan or change your plan, you come to buy FiberX plan. As you can see here, even when you click here to see more, you can see there are only 5 options here. You have the 30K, 45K, and the rest, but they're all monthly plans. All of them. You're paying for 1 month. If I click on this one, which is actually my current plan, I click on it. There is no option to buy for 1 year. There's really no option to buy for 1 year. When you're setting it up, you're just making a purchase, and the purchase is a one-time purchase. It's not yearly. There is no yearly plan for MTN FibreX. So now you know. So let's come back here. Like I promised, I said I was going to run a speed test, but before we do that, when you come to this dashboard, another thing you'd also see is an option to set up auto renewal, so that every month, as long as you have money in either your wallet, the card connected to your account, you'll be able to actually automatically renew. Then what is this coverage analysis? The coverage analysis actually opens MTN's map, Nigeria map, so you can see if MTN fiber is available in your area or not, right? So all you have to do is come up here, enter your house address up here. Once you enter your address and you hit enter, it will basically check that address and tell you if service in that area is excellent or not. To even understand this coverage thing or to use it, you don't even have to own MTN FibreX. Just go to this website, coverage.mtn.ng. Go to this website right now on any browser, wherever you are. Once you open this page, enter your house address, and then that way you will know if FiberX is even working in your area, if 2G or 4G or 5G is what is working in your area. I've used this before to also find out if MTN 5G is available in my area. So the website is coverage.mtn.ng. You come here, you locate your area, and then you see if the service is excellent in your area or terrible before you buy FiberX or buy a device that uses 5G, or before you buy an MTN router. Now the final phase is the speed test. Let us run a speed test because I'm currently connected to the MTN, and of course, as you already know, I'm on the 100 Mbps plan. So let's do that. I'm going to go to speedtest.net and I'm going to let it run. Let's see what the speed test result says. I'm gonna zoom in, then let it run. So there you have it. This is my MTN FiberX speed on the 100 Mbps plan. My location is Lagos. So I hope this is going to help inform your decision. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.